Hi guys, I'm Melissa. I'm gonna be eating chocolate with every meal of the day, 3 meals a day, for 7 days straight. Day 1 of the challenge. Trying to decide if I have something simple, like yogurt and granola with some chocolate, or if I go all out. So we're going in the middle. I'm gonna make a chocolate crepe classic Nutella. Meal number 1, Nutella crepe. I feel like I'll be alright with this. That crepe was absolutely beautiful, but I feel a little bit nauseous already. 1 meal down. So it's snack o'clock, day 1. We've got Tony's Chocolonely. Heard this is the most insane chocolate ever, so thought I'd give it a go. Very Willy Wonka-esque chocolate bar. Oh yeah, I've always wanted to do this. Oh my god, that's so good. Made myself a nice little salad. Now I'm gonna make a dark chocolate balsamic vinegar dressing. Melted dark chocolate. Gonna add a little bit of balsamic, olive oil, a little bit of honey, some salt, some pepper. Here we have it, my salad with dark chocolate balsamic glaze. Let's give this bad boy a go. I don't hate it. I think I could have gone darker with the chocolate, but it really goes with that balsamic. I'm on board. I am starving hungry and absolutely exhausted. I think probably a little bit of a sugar crash. So I'm gonna have for dinner a steak with a white chocolate and cream sauce to go with it. Have some concerns about this. I just worry that the white chocolate sauce is gonna be super sweet, but we'll see. Oh yeah. Nice pink steak, I like it. I don't hate it. I don't know if I do it again. So for breakfast today, my favourite yogurt with nuts and berries, gimme stuff. And I'm gonna add some cacao nibs, some milk chocolate raisins, because they are God's gift. Yummy. So for dinner tonight, we're gonna be making pork chops, and I'm gonna cook in like a barbecue sauce. Of course, gonna add some dark chocolate. There you go. Your chocolate pork.
Ooh, smells good. Actually works quite well.
How was that workout for you, Jazz?
Tough.
We ready for a chocolate smoothie?
Yeah.
For brekkie, I'm making a chocolate smoothie. Got some strawberries, some blueberries, and then, of course, we need our chocolate. I've made frozen banana with dark chocolate on them. And then I'm going to add some cocoa powder as well. Yum! And I'm going to blitz that up.
And here you have my chocolate smoothie. Not gonna lie, the spinach has made it look a little bit like pond water, but it's okay.
Well, it's lunchtime. Do I fancy some chocolate? No. I fancy, like, some cheese on toast.
So here we go. We've got our cheddar cheese, our parmesan cheese, and of course, our dark chocolate. Didn't have any bread, so we're going for a handy pitter pocket. And we're just gonna construct a little bit of cheese in there. And of course, some chocolate. Name a more iconic duo. Let's give this bad boy a little grill.
Okay. I'm not sure. I did make one that was just cheese, no chocolate. I can't deny, solo cheese. Mate, that's all you need.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Give me mine.
Dinner tonight, we've got some slaw, some mango, some toms, an avo, cod, tortillas. We're making fish tacos. But how the heck are we gonna add chocolate to this?
We're gonna make a beer batter. Got me a choc chili stout.
That was so good. We've outdone ourselves, I'd say. We are making brownies. This is the Tastemade 1,000-layer brownie recipe, and there is like 700 grams of chocolate in this bad boy. I mean, that says it all really. Let's get baking. Okay, so the brownie wasn't ready to eat last night. I had to leave it to cool. And I came to it this morning and it doesn't quite look like the pictures. I think I put it in a too small tub, but it doesn't matter because it's still banging. That is bloody beautiful. So I'm gonna attempt to make a mocha. So got some coffee. And I'm gonna add loads of these yummy jumbo choc chips to my milk. Oh my god, that's actually really delicious.
I'm gonna make a baba ganoush, which is like a Mediterranean dip. I'm gonna have with some pita bread and veggies. And what is the secret ingredient? Obviously, my Milky Bar buttons. So I'm just gonna blitz some of these in the microwave to melt them.
This is my baba ganoush mix, which is aubergine with some different spices and some lemon. And then I'm gonna add our white chocolate. Oh yeah. And there you have it, my white chocolate baba ganoush. That was the best meal I've had thus far. Baba ganoush, white chocolate, banging. I'm going back for seconds. I've woken up feeling really rubbish again. It's also like a zillion degrees. For breakfast today, I've been saving something special. You guessed it. I've been waiting all week for. Get your handy milk. So I didn't actually have any lunch today because I was so full from breakfast still. So I'm just gonna have a hot chocolate for lunch. I actually prefer the ones that you have with water because I feel like the ones that's like just milk is just so intense. I like to have the water ones and then I put just like a splash of milk. Salmon. All ready for our chocolate and chili spice rub. It looks good, smells good. Hopefully it's cooked. Have a little look inside. Oh yeah. Gonna flake that up and then we add it to my salad. Summer refresh. Good morning, friends. It is Saturday. Feeling good, feeling great. So I went out for a few drinks last night. Woke up this morning. Chocolate in the bed. Naughty. I have this theory that chocolate first thing in the morning before you've brushed your teeth. Delicious. Hey. Okay, so Saturday normally make a brunch sort of thing. So I have this vision of a candied chocolate bacon. I did Google it. It is a thing. I definitely have some concerns, but let's give it a go. What do we go for today? Yeah, I do keep the chocolate in the fridge. I know there's a debate about it. I think if I'm gonna eat my chocolate straight away, fresh out of the fridge is how I like it. If I'm gonna be cooking with it, then I don't think it matters as much. But it is really warm in London at the moment, so everything's melting in the cupboard, so fridge it is. Okay. I don't know whether all over my face. Some leftover chocolate from the bacon. So we've made chocolate dipped grapes and chocolate dipped strawberries.
So delicious.
Okay, so today my sisters are cooking dinner. So we're making spaghetti bolognese. We've got one vegan version and one meaty version. Yummy. And now we're gonna add some chocolate.
How many bits? 3 each?
2. I don't know if there's enough for this much, I think.
So today is the last day of the chocolate challenge. I'm not gonna have an excuse anymore to eat chocolate 3 times a day, minimum. So for breakfast, I'm gonna make a chocolate French toast with strawberry. I've never made French toast before. Seems easy, so let's see. Oh my god, that's so bad. A ridiculous amount of chocolate maple syrup. Gonna miss all this chocolate in my life. So one thing I've definitely learned from eating chocolate 3 meals a day, it definitely doesn't do wonders for your skin. That's for sure. Right? Could have told me. Well, here's to fixing it. Do I look beautiful now? We are on the final meal of the chocolate challenge. I've been saving this one, of course, and it's gonna be fancy AF duck à l'orange. Yeah, but you guessed it, my orange is from Terry himself. Yes. We'll start with our sauce is looking good. All the chocolate segments have melted into it. Let's give it the taste test. I think you'd actually be surprised how good this is.
Oh.
Right? Let's give this bad boy a go. That's way better than I thought it would be. Well guys, we've come to the end of the challenge. It's a sad time for us all, and you know what I think I've learned from this experience? Chocolate is God's gift to earth. You know, it's not just got one use, it's not got just 2, it's got about 55 zillion. Whether we're talking cocoa, cacao, white chocolate that isn't really chocolate. It is God's ingredient, and we should be grateful. Thank you all. Till next time. Farewell.